how much does YouTube pay for live stream views for every 1,000 views? And well, I've got some statistics right here from my own channel. It is going to depend, I will tell you that, depending on what niche you're in. We're in the e-commerce space, which is more or less like how to make money, or in the financial space, it's always going to pay higher. And it's usually based off of what they call an RPM. But I'm looking at mine right now, and our average right now for live streams, this isn't for regular video, this is for live streams, we're averaging $22.18. So for every 1,000 views that you get on that. Now, one thing that you need to remember is the live stream is independent of what happens after the fact. So a lot of people think, well, I need 1,000 people. You don't need 1,000 people to make money on that live stream. So what we love about live streams is you're able to go live, even if you only have 5 viewers. After the fact, it's going to get a lot more views. And again, that's going to depend on your topic. But from there, that now is its own independent video, and you can get paid for every 1,000 views. So depending on your niche, it is going to vary. And if you're in, like, let's say the gaming niche, it could be as low as $3 to $5. Depends on your niche. If you pick a good niche, it'll definitely pay. But this is something that a lot of people don't consider when choosing their niche. So choose your niche wisely and have fun live streaming.